how is everyone doing? Happy Friday. I am here at Hollywood and Highland. As you can tell, they have the birds of prey. If you can see it right up there, they have a little pop-up experience, so we're gonna go check that out. Alright guys, that was it. It was a small little pop-up experience. It's going to be held today until 10 p.m. and tomorrow I believe it starts from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So it's over at Hollywood and Highland. Come check it out. Comment below, tell me what you think of it. And remember, it's a nice day out there. Go on and enjoy it, guys. Bye.